You guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at TJ Maxx checking out some few stuff. I wanted to bring you guys along with me, so let's go ahead and check them out. Look at this here. Oh, this is a rolling storage cart. This pink one is going for $29.99. You guys, how cute is this? Very pretty. It has like 3 layers with the silver trim. Very nice. They have like few others in black with a little diamond, and they have this marble looking one for $29.99. They also do have this one at Marshall's. This is $29.99 here as well, and this over here is $59.99. So you guys, let's go ahead and check the other aisles. Look at these slabs. It's giving you like the vase vibe. This one is going for $29.99. And this one here is $39.99. And this here, you guys, sorry, let me look for the price. This one is $24.99. That is really cute. You guys, look at this. Is this like from mailers or something? Like mails and stuff? Or something you can store your paperwork or a mail thing. But this is cute. It has it in pink. Very nice. Let's go ahead and check the other out. I love these pieces here. Look at this chair here. This chair here is going for $59.99. And I like the plants that's behind it. And the plants are going for $39.99, you guys. Check that out. And this here next to it, this bigger version, this is $50, you guys. That is very nice. I'm loving it. And look at this piece as well here. This is so different and unique. I just love the style and shape of it. If I can see the price of it, I guess this is a different type of shelf. This one is $60. And this is really cute. Look at the little Halloween characters here. What are these? What they call them? $25, you guys, for these little Halloween things here. Just love the shelves back there. Very different. Definitely thinking about that one. And you also have these chairs here. You have these pink ones. This one is by Nautica, and this is $99.99. You guys, check this out. They also have this blue looking one back there. I'm sorry, it looks blue on camera, dark blue, but it's actually black. And this one, that's $99.99. And you have these little wall frames, wall decor. I'm sorry, guys. I said wall frames. This one is going for $19.99. And we have these cute little chairs here. This one is in white, and that's $99.99 as well. Let's go ahead around They also have a few Halloween stuff. And look at that. Check these out. Some of these little items. Yeah. Look at the cute little pumpkin with the stars. These are $6.99. Look at this area. I like this little corner here. This one is $29.99, guys, and they also have this little one, $16.99 for those. How cute is this? I like this pink little frame. That's $7.99. I also wanted to go ahead and check out their shoes, you guys. Look at these. These are $24.99. Very cute. They have plenty more there. And I guess these are little snack shelves and stuff. Let me go ahead and check out the shoes. Look at these. It's giving you that snakeskin vibe. And these are going for $24.99, guys. Very cute. Let's see what else we can find. For some reason, I am so into these snake-looking prints. It's $19.99 for this. Oh, look at here. These diamond-looking sandals. Aren't these cute? These are $19.99, guys. I love the cute little stones and straps. I'm a diamond girl, so who doesn't like diamond ladies? Definitely love diamonds. Everything diamonds. What else we can find here? That seems so unique. You have these, what is this here? Calvin Klein. These are $24.99. And like these little things here, this gold little thing here, and also the little print. It's cute. And they have so much of these white sneakers. Just scanning through, you guys, giving you guys a little show of what they have here in this shoe section at TJ Maxx. What is this here? I love these earth tone looking sandals here. It's cute. This one is going for $19.99. I have a lot of sneakers and sandals and stuff here. What is this? This is $19.99. I'm not sure it has a brand. pairs on this side. Let's go ahead and check the other side. I see some sandals here. Just caught my attention. Oh wow. Look at these DKNY. Very nice. They also have the red. It has a yellow tag for $12, you guys. How cute are these? I really love the red. Interesting. These right here are $16.99, and these here looks interesting. It's $16, guys. Look at these cake spades. Love the black and white stripes. This is a yellow tag. It's going for 12. Used to be 20. Very cute. Let's go ahead and check this out here. See what we can find. They have so many of these. You'll definitely be lucky to find these.